Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sort by a specific column in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Sheets, just click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, sorting a specific column in Google Sheets allows you to organize your data in a meaningful way, making it easier to find and analyze information. Because by sorting data based on a specific column, you can group similar or related data together, enhancing clarity and readability. Now, let's create a blank spreadsheet for now. And from here, let's rename the this sheet something like maybe this one, and let's put some data here. Now, if your data includes rankings, scores, or other data stuff, sorting by specific column allows you to easily identify the highest or lowest values, because this can be useful for comparing performance metrics, analysis, evaluating outcomes, or identifying outliers. Now, if you simply just select the column, say for example, this one. Say for example, this column A, and if you click on the and hover down to the data and you sort the sheet by column A to Z, all right, it's you're not happy with it. If you wanted to sort range by, let's say, column to Z to A, or everything right here, it's not what we wanted. All right, but what we can do is select this specific column that you wanted, click on data and click on advanced range sorting. Now from here, you can choose the column that you wanted to work. Say for example, column A, and you have the option to sort it from A to Z or Z to A. So let's do that for now. As you can see, it's been sorted out. And let's click that again. Click on sort range, advanced range sorting options, column B. I wanted to work that out from Z to A. There you go. You see the option, right? Now, there's also an option here that says advanced range sorting. If you add another sort column, all right, say for example, that's going to be for letter column C, or for column C, and then you sort it by Z to A, what's going to happen is it streamlined the workflow, making it a valuable tool for data management and analysis. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in our next video.